My name is Anders Pagh, and I'm a project manager in Insero Science Academy, and we are running this program with the 3D printers. The idea about the project was that if we are running a research program about new technologies, we would have to get hold of some of the technologies that the kids would most likely get to use in a future job. So 3D printing is already in a lot of industries. So we thought, well, why not start teaching the kids about it in school? So we haven't seen any initiatives from the government in this direction. And we were looking at a UK program. The UK government is running a program about 3D printing in schools. So we thought, well, why couldn't we as well run a program in Denmark? We've run about 6 or 7 projects with them so far, ranging from 3rd graders to 10th graders, and the kids are very, very fast. They're really quick to pick up the software and have a go at using their imagination and their creativity. So they also get the impression that 3D printing is a very quick technology, and it's very fast when you are drawing. By letting the schools using these 3D printers, we are getting a lot of information about in which subjects and which grades it would make most sense to start using the printers in the schools, and also which kind of printers that we could use, because lots of the cheapest printers are not very reliable. So we bought some printers that's a little bit more expensive than normal, but they are very reliable. So that means that what they're doing in school is that they are drawing and printing, and there's no hassle at all. So well, the knowledge that the kids pick up from this project using the 3D printers is that when it comes to designing and making prototypes and also making spare parts for machinery and stuff, there's a lot quicker way to go than to go the old school way. Once this project is over, we will gather all the information, and the plan is to get more of an overview of how to introduce new technologies, in a more general speaking, in the school system. Both we will have some knowledge about these two technologies, 3D printing and robots, but also we hope to get some more general information about how to introduce new technologies, and in which levels, which subjects, and how also the process and how to work with the schools to adopt it.